was watching this and reading it, and it sounds pretty appealing. I was also watching um, this piece over here, Louis Redmond Films, and that was very appealing. There's many things that can go on in life. Right now, I want to go over just something very small. Here's Earth, and here's our birth on Earth. Calibrate, liberate. Lack could be missing in minerals, can also mean lake. There's another thing I wanted to mention is some words that we don't see, and one of them is, when I rotate my device, it says, oh, yeah, my device seems a little dark. This word means hot, okay, but it sounds like this word means cold, okay, and it sounds like what it is, almost like a roid or a void. What I wanted to talk about is Astro. Astro's a dog. So we're talking about Leroy. That would be the king. That would be a boy. The angel is a boy. Jane, the E world, just like the E. Light, just like the E light. Light and light, two different kinds of light. We're going to talk about number 10. 28 is 10, 37 is 10, 46 is 10. In the first 10, this gives us the cycle. 5 and 2 makes 7. 8 minus 1 makes 7. So the minus 1 in a cube is opposite of the 6, and that's the half-life. That's the half-life, and that's the bar we have in it. The H would be this way. The I would be this way. We'd meet them halfway in between. We'd meet them this way. So the angle or direction would be that way. See the way the art seems to tell the story? It's almost like they wanted to tell us this story. 77 is the Christ or the energy. 37 is the red sun to the blue earth. You ever hear of it? Red, white, and blue. Blue is 40. 4 numbers, 108. 68 is missing, and that would be the planet. White is 65, and that would be the Son or the Holy Ghost. The student. And red would be 27. Creation of the Son, the DNA, and again, creation of the Christ. All the numbers have to fit together. Either you have 2 sevens, or 2 times 7 is 14, or 2 and 7 is 9. So it is birth in the red sun, 2305, which means what? What does it mean? You make up a story, or you create a story from the truth of the numeric values in the words. Number 23, beta creation, BC creation. Number 51, Mars, 5 times 1, 5 plus 1, 2 times 3, 2 plus 3, create the same numeric value, 65. Now, we're going to bring 65 to the 7th gate, and we get 21 or 12, one of the two, which is 33. 33 in numbers, 15 and 18, the letter O and R, meaning gold. But you can do anything else. You can do the 14 and 19, which would be N and S. So could be the poles, could be the spirit, could be creation in the sun. See, the N is the 14th letter, which will be the Fox passage in the sun. The S will be the AC current, which will also create an energy that passes through a moon. One of the reasons for this is because of what the math does in order how to get to number 19. And I like to multiply everything by either 2, 3, or 4, telling us 2 is split, 4 is as above as below, and 3 is in between the two sides. So if I put myself between the two sides, I become the average of living in. Split, I'd be split. The 4 would tell me quarters, and quarters tells me about Earth. So the moon seems to come into a full numeric value with 19. 3 by 19 equals to 57. That's G and E, or 5G, the numeric value for the word moon. 57, if you add moons to it, you have now 76, and now you have more than one moon. Then there's mathematics. What is 10? Well, your first 10 comes with 1 and 9, the extremities, and that's the spirit. Your second moon comes with the cycle inside Mars, 28. The third one is the red sun, 37. The fourth one is 46, where it's 1 DC, where it's created by the alternate current. Raphael, if you don't know what I'm talking about, I'm going to have to come back and explain it again. This one here is your cat. Your cat coming through the moon spirit when you're born. The body is on Earth, and then we bring in the receptor. And then this is the spirit matrix. 5 by 8 is 40, and it brings in the electric company through the zodiac. There's also the constellations, which I'm going to be talking about next, and I'm going to go over Levette's videos to be able to talk about the California flower in the Library of 8. Thank you for watching this video.